when I jump up into the saddle, that will be your cue. Except for you guys. With your feet, don't let go of the bike, but take your feet out from under the wheel. Boom! Don't let me go! Alright, here we go. Now, you guys, hold on, give me a, right here, give me a fist up in the air. Right there, you two, fist up in there, there we go. Now you can let go in the front. You guys can let go on the sides. I'm going to lean on your arms. You got it? Are you clear? Alright, here we go. What we're going to do here is let my man go back here to your family if they're still there. Give him a clap there. On 3, 2, 1, I'm going to let go of these guys and they're going to run for their freaking lives. Alright, together, ready? 3, 2, 1, run! Make some noise for my volunteers. Who are not running for their lives. They're walking slowly back to their seats.
They're gambling for their lives, it's okay.
Alright, as I sit up here, this view is a lot higher than it looked on YouTube. And with that reminds me, how did I get to this place? People, this is what happens when you get a liberal arts degree. But I got mine in history, so I'm qualified to work here.
Mine's in fine arts. I'm not qualified for it.